girl, you the flyest. Yes, indeed. Ain't playing no games with you. Can I have your signature? I'm your biggest fan. It's such an honor to be with you.
What's up, Mela gang? It's your girl, Mela, and I am back with another video. Get it, girl. I've been trying to do this style for so long, you guys. Your girl's been sick, and I finally got a chance to do it. I'm still not feeling that good, but I gotta do what I gotta do for my Mela gang, and that's on period. And everybody's been doing it, and I was like, your girl was already doing that. So let me come back and show y'all how it's done. This is what I'll be using today. I had it for a long time, and it looks like this. And to be honest with you guys, I did this in the morning, kind of dropped already, and I also finger combed it a little bit. It took me about an hour to do it with my hair like this. It makes me feel like I need to be in a music video. Okay. Right now, I need to be like, huh, yeah, puh. It's your girl Mela gang. It's your girl Mela. It's your girl Mela. Ayy. It's your girl. So let's jump straight into it.
It's a vibe, yeah. You my type, yeah. We so high, yeah. Touch the sky, yeah. Who you like when I rub by your thighs, oh yeah. I tell you on, baby, just like the light switch. I set the mood, baby. Make the move, baby. You know what to do, baby. Vibe and get loose with me. It's a vibe, yeah. You my type, yeah. We so high, yeah. Touch the sky, yeah. There's a feeling I know that you can't deny. Let's play a game we doing, show it to the night. You act a donkey, I'm a pin it to the night. Know you been stressing me, something up in your life, yeah. You never met a nigga like me in your life. I'ma do you good, so good that you gon' want it twice. You ever made a wish and said it come alive? I'ma show you magic like Orlando in the 90s. Come on and try it, ride my pony genuine. Just a skater on the grind. Bet you I can make you wine. Heavy sipping, not no wine. Put that booty on rewind. Your ex been hating cause he miss you. He deny it but he lying. Girl, I love it how you fly. We together, we the flies. It don't take no rocket science. I know I'm the one you eyeing. I'm the dopest. If you blow me, you'll be smoking on the finest. Military style, baby, we keep it on private. It's a vibe, yeah. You my type, yeah. We so high, yeah. Touch the sky, yeah. Who you like when I rub by your thighs, oh yeah. I tell you on, baby, just like the light switch. I set the mood, baby. Make the move, baby. You know what to do, baby. Vibe and get loose with me. It's a vibe, yeah. You my type, yeah. We so high, yeah. Touch the sky, yeah. It's a vibe. Are you really down to ride? She tell me I'm hella smooth, hop in my whip, take a glide. Be in your park, tell me where you wanna slide. It's after dark, infrared beam on my night. What you thinking? I'm a slicer. Ooh, that pizza mine. I like a meat. I don't want you too kind. The fellas just hella green, acting like they Frankenstein. She don't really want them boys, she want a man that's on his grind. Come on and try it, it won't hurt, come get a sample. Chill with a grace, so listen, I ain't hard to handle. I love your smile, you so sexy with the pimples. We ain't dating, I got you on my agenda.
So this is how it looked with my hair back. You know, I'm still a snap. Okay? So this is it right here. So thank you so much, Mela gang, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on that notification bell right there, you guys.
Girl, you the flyest. Yes, indeed. Ain't playing no games with you. Can I have your signature? I'm your biggest fan. It's such an honor to be with you.